What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. I'm gonna show you guys how to style like Frank Ocean. Frankie! I'm gonna give you guys 3 characteristic points where you guys can take away from his style so you guys can imply it into your own style, elevate your game, and just take your game up to the next level. Like, just take it to the level. Frankie! Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe at the bottom down below and also give this video a big thumbs up so more people see it. If you guys want me to style break down anyone you guys do know, from public figures to celebrities, put in the comment section down below. I'll definitely make videos for you guys based on that, based on the requests, and I'll be happy to do it. So 3 characteristic points I want to talk about Frank Ocean and what really makes his style and where he gets it from. So the first thing I want to talk about is the skate culture. In the early days of him growing in his career, being around the tribe he was around on Future back in the day, he really formed to a culture of skating. Within that culture of skating, where I come from, you wear a lot of Vans, you wear a lot of skinny jeans, and you kind of wear a lot of like baggy t-shirts because most of the time you're just trying to skate comfortably. That's the whole thing with skate culture. So skateboard culture has been a big influence for Frank Ocean, especially being around the Odd Future gang when they were all early in their careers as artists and much more. So skateboard culture. So if you're looking into anything from that, look into wearing like Vans, look into Nike SBs, look into getting yourself into the skate culture where you kind of get like art pieces around your crib. Just getting yourself immersed into that atmosphere to have a better understanding of what is happening in that culture so you guys can adapt what you like and what you don't like into your own wardrobe. So if you're looking for anything skate related, you can definitely check out like Zoomies. If you're looking for like average streetwear, you can just check out like flea markets. You can also check out like West 49. Karmaloop is a big hitter on e-commerce. If you're downtown in any of your cities, check out the boutiques on the high-end side, see what they offer. And yeah, let me know what you guys find. I'll put some links down below so you guys can check it out. Out here in Toronto, there's Livestock. You can always find some dope stuff out there. In LA, you can always find some good stuff. New York, Supreme, you know. So you guys already know. Let me know what you guys find. Stussy as well. So get into the streetwear culture. It's really cool and it's really interesting when you immerse yourself into it. The next thing with Frank Ocean that really separates himself from anyone that do know is that he has a lot of statement pieces. What I mean by that is that he has a lot of controversial pieces. So one thing I do want you guys to check out is check out the Arccway Instagram, because I'll be posting content on a daily basis. What you'll be seeing is from anything from fashion to style to culture to art, anything that really inspires Arccway as a brand. You guys will just see it from there, and then that way you guys can pick up what you guys like most about it and then apply it to your own style, your own life, your own culture, your own fashion. Him wearing a basic t-shirt with like print wherever he wants to protest or wants to mention on a t-shirt is a big way of sparking ideas, sparking conversation. And I really applaud people like this because they're using their body, for example, as a template to express how they feel. And it's great when people do that. I love it because it's like you're really telling your true story on your chest. He always wears controversial pieces where he wants to address certain concerns he has, or he wants to spark ideas and thoughts. I think it's a really good outlet and a really good way to do it on a day-to-day basis. Yet again, this is really unique and this is really something different. If you start picking it up on what Frank Ocean does, especially during performances or what he wears, you can really see that he's telling a story more than his words. The next segment I want to get into is that how his style is so modest and how easy it is for him to adapt to different environments. And as you know from the publicity and what he does online and his interaction with social media, that he's quite an introvert. He's kind of a reserved type of person, and everyone has that right to be. So, but you can really see within his style that he keeps it very, very balanced with his look. A lot of hoodies, a lot of ripped up jeans, a lot of sneakers. He's very modest with it. He doesn't wear anything crazy, but if he does, then you'll see the hair being dyed. You'll be seeing like maybe bright colors once in a while. He likes to experiment with his haircuts, maybe his facial hair as well. So everyone goes through phases, and Frank Ocean goes through phases as well. So if you want to take away something from the modest style part, is that within your modest style, if that's your thing, but I'll say on top of that is be experimental. Dye your hair for the first time. Try different things out. Maybe wear a beanie for a day, for a week, for a month. Just try something out, see if it works for you. If it doesn't, you kind of move on, you adapt, and you kind of just build your own signature look. So that's one thing I actually wanted to pull from Frank Ocean that maybe can help any of you guys out. Just to highlight the 3 topics I mentioned: the skate culture for one, the controversial pieces, and being modest with your style, but at the same time being experimental. So I actually hope this video helped you guys out. Let me know what style you guys like of Frank Ocean the best. Also, let me know what would you guys want to see next in the next video of me style breaking down anyone you guys want. Public figures to celebrities, you name it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me style breaking down Frank Ocean's style. If you guys want to see more of these type of videos, make sure you guys put in the comment section down below. So thank you guys for watching Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. My name is Mr. Lou, and I'll see you guys soon.